Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda we're going to go over how you would remove the front ABS wheel speed sensor. This is on the right side. The same would go with the left side. It's just the same process. So we're going to remove this sensor and replace. So the sensor runs, or the sensor wire runs up along here. So here you would have a wheel well cover, so you would need to remove the push pin right here, and then that way you'll get access to this connection here that you just need to squeeze the clip and be able to unhook that. And then we have one little push clip here, and the same thing here. Remove that one, and then right down here, this clip, we can have access to just be able to push the two pins in and pull that out. And then we have this clip here, the same. Push the tabs in, be able to pull the clip out. And none of these clips are, and if you break them, it's fine, because your new ABS wheel speed sensor will come with new clips. Alright, so then we get down here to undo the number 10 bolt that holds in the ABS wheel speed sensor. These can be a little bit tough to get out. This one is doing okay, but I also did have penetrating oil in there to be able to sit and soak to get that bolt all lubricated up to be able to come out. Otherwise they can easily break, and so you want to make sure that you have time to let some penetrating oil lubricate that up. Same thing with the sensor itself. So now we're going to work on getting the sensor out. Sometimes you just need to push them up and down, rock them up and down, and the best is we want to try to pull them kind of straight out, but sometimes you can't get anything behind it, or you're not getting any leverage for it to come out. Doing okay. But if you use a pair of pliers, you can be able to grip the outside and then be able to kind of pry against your plier to be able to get your sensor to come out. Sensor has been removed, and then we get a new one, get that prepped and ready to go in, and now we're able to put in our new ABS wheel speed sensor, and we'll just go in the reverse order by pressing the sensor in there. You may want to, if you feel like there's a lot of debris in there, blow it out or vacuum it out, because you don't want the debris sticking on the magnet sensor down there. Reinstall the 10mm. Just snug, they don't need to be crazy tight. Then we install that clip there. We note that we run this right around the back of the strut, but on the inside of your sway bar link. Snap and lock that into place, and then be able to take this, snap that locked into place, snap that one into place, and then connect our connection here to the ABS module cables. Now that's all installed, and you would put your wheel well push pin back in and reattach that. And so that's how you would install your ABS, remove and install your ABS wheel speed sensor on the front of your CX-5 Mazda. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.